Hi, my name is Sue, and this is assignment number 2 for our Learning to Teach Online MOOC. I am currently on nursing faculty at a community college, and my goal for this is to create approximately a 1-hour asynchronous class with active learning features. As I am a nursing instructor, it's going to be about sensory perception. The students will focus on visual impairment, and of course my audience is nursing students. The learning outcomes will be given to the students prior to the class, and this will be posted on Blackboard, our learning management system. And it will align with the curriculum, and you'll see the outcomes I have: describe, explain, assess. These will be pertaining to the topic of sensory perception. For the students, I'm going to ask them to focus on 3 specific eye issues. Now, the actual outline of the class I've decided to put into 3 sections. I call the first section First Touch. This is what the students will do prior to starting their class, and that will include the outline and outcomes, readings, that sort of thing. That'll be posted on Blackboard. And First Touch is literally the class prep. So I will be going over that in a second. The second touch is the actual, I should put class in quotes. The third touch is what the students can do afterwards, and evaluation. So for the learning strategies for the first touch, of course they'll have the outline, and I will create prep work for them. And the prep work is what they can do prior to taking the class. We have an online prep app for the nursing students that they have, ATI, for them to view assessment skills. I will assign that. I will assign a YouTube that I found online that will be review of pathophysiology, and then I will have an optional prep work that comes from their online text that they use. So that's their first prep. Hopefully they'll get through that. The second learning strategy would be where I would provide them, when they start the quote class, with a Blackboard online quiz to test their knowledge, and I will allow them to take it twice, provide rationales after the second attempt. I will be able to follow this and see how they're doing. I will provide a 10-minute video max outlining the class itself. I hope to do this on Blackboard with a live picture of me superimposed, allowing me to be more present with them when they're watching it. And then what I'm planning to do, and this is new, divide the class into 3 groups, create 3 wikis, and have 3 case studies and concept maps for them to work on. And so that will be the class itself. And then after class, or whenever they'd like, this third touch will provide additional references. I was thinking of possibly putting on an online crossword puzzle to review terminology, and also any other, if someone is very interested, any articles or videos that they would like to flesh out their course a little bit with. For evaluation, I plan to provide feedback on the case studies while they're working on them, and this can be done concurrently. I also will provide a 10-question quiz like I started the class with Blackboard. 2 attempts, rationales after the second. And where this is new for me, I'm going to provide a monkey survey, so for anonymity they can evaluate the class on how they felt it went, and then we have online summative testing at the end. Hope this wasn't too long. This is my project, and thank you for listening.